All right, let's talk about something you probably use all the time, maybe without even knowing it. I'm talking about Wi-Fi Direct. Yeah, you've probably seen that option pop up on your phone, right? But what is it really? It's kind of like Wi-Fi's cool, mysterious cousin hiding in plain sight. So today we're going to pull back the curtain and figure out what it is, how it works, and why it's so incredibly useful.
Okay, let's get right into it. This picture, it pretty much says it all. Over on the left, that's the Wi-Fi you know and love, right? Your phone, your laptop, they both have to go through that router in the middle to talk to each other. But then, look at the right. That's Wi-Fi Direct. See that? The phone and the laptop are talking directly to one another, no middleman. And that one simple difference, believe me, that is the whole ballgame. So if you want the textbook definition, here it is. Wi-Fi Direct is basically the official standard for making these direct wireless connections happen. But the part you really need to lock in, the key phrase, is without needing a Wi-Fi router. That's it. It just completely cuts out that central hub and lets our devices link up, one-on-one.
All right, so how it works, the peer-to-peer connection. This is where it gets really cool. I mean, if there's no router telling everything what to do, how does it even happen? Like, how do two devices just find each other and start a conversation? Let's dive into the mechanics of this whole peer-to-peer thing.
It all kicks off with what's called a peer-to-peer network, or P2P for short. The best way to think about it is like a secret digital handshake. It's just two devices finding each other and agreeing to talk only to each other. They create their own little private, temporary network just for the two of them. And what's great is that this cuts out all the other noise and traffic from a normal Wi-Fi network. You're left with a super clean, direct line.
So, you've got this tiny little two-device network, but someone still has to be in charge, right? Even without a router, you need a boss. And that's where the group owner comes in. One of the devices basically raises its hand and says, "I'll do it." It starts acting like a tiny temporary access point, just for this one connection. It's the one that sets the rules and manages the whole conversation, while the other device just acts as the client. Pretty clever, huh?
And here is the big payoff for getting rid of that middleman: pure, unadulterated speed. Think about it. The data isn't taking some scenic detour, going from your phone all the way over to the router and then finally to your laptop. Nope. It's a straight shot, a direct highway. And because it's so much more efficient, you get way faster data transfer. This is absolutely perfect for when you need to move those huge files, like right now.
Next up, why it matters, common real-world uses. Okay, this tech is super clever, for sure. But so what? Why should you care? Well, here's the thing. You have probably used Wi-Fi Direct a ton of times without even realizing it. Let's take a look at where this thing actually pops up in the real world.
All right, here are some of the classics. You ever been somewhere, maybe at a friend's house, and you desperately need to print something from your phone, but you're not on their Wi-Fi, and you just hit print, and it works? Yep, that was probably Wi-Fi Direct. Or how about this? You want to send a massive video file to your friend sitting right next to you. You can just zap it over directly. It's kind of like Bluetooth on steroids, perfect for big files, and you don't even need an internet connection. And the big one, of course, is screen mirroring. When you cast your phone screen to your smart TV, you're using Wi-Fi Direct to create that super fast, direct link so your video plays without any lag. So here's the takeaway. This really powerful, really efficient tech isn't some future fantasy. It's already built into most of the gadgets we own right now. Which leads to this final thought. Now that you actually know what it is, where could a direct, router-free connection make your life a little bit easier? It's a seriously powerful tool, just hiding in plain sight. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.